Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage ANC for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4. You have to start by open HUAWEI Life application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds here. Right here we have ANC, so firstly we need to enable ANC and you need to put your earbuds to your ears, but also it works with only one earbud, so you can put only one. Now we can swap to ANC. You can use a gesture for it or just click on it. So right here we have mode. Tap at this line and we have four options. The first one, dynamic. It will change your ANC level depending on your background. Then we have cozy is a low level for ANC. Next one we have general, middle, and ultra is a maximum. So tap just at the best one for you, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.